Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about 5 Python tips to make our life easier when working with Python. And the first one is to use single quotes instead of double quotes. This is a single advice, but it is very important. And why is this? Because single quotes only require one keystroke, while double quotes require two keystrokes. And because quotes are found everywhere in Python, they are used in thousand places in the code. This will uh, absolutely make your life easier, and I say this after many years of programming experience. So, for example, if we want to write hi with single quote, we only need to push four keystrokes, while for double quotes we need to click shift plus the quote symbol. This may look simple, but if you get familiar with using single quotes, you will quickly understand how important this advice is. The second tip is to use control and keys, and this will definitely increase it will make your life easier when working with Python, and especially with tools that do not have options like copy paste in right click menu. And I highly recommend use the following control keys. Control C for copy, Control V for paste, Control X for cut, Control A for select all, Control S for save. This is very important when we do many changes in the code editor, and Control F for search, and Control H for replace. Uh, this is I cannot imagine working with Python and the code without this all these keys. And if I needed to the old method, because some years ago I was used to copy and paste from right click menus or the navigation menu, and I cannot imagine working on that old method. I highly recommend using control keys. Um, the third tip is to use f strings in Python, and I will quickly explain what f strings is. We will open a Python terminal, and let's say that we have s1 hello and s2 world. And let's say that we want to to print hello world with a space in between. We can do it in this way: s1 plus one space plus s2. This is the first method, but there is a second method which uses f string, and this is s full equals f quote, and inside curly brackets we will use the substrings. We will close the quotes and print as full. This is extremely useful and very flexible, because f strings can translate easy any data type like integers or dates, and we don't require to do any conversions. For example, if S3 is a number, and if we try to print to add S3 in our text, this will return error because S3 is a number, so we need to convert it to string. But if we add it in a F string, it will be printed normally. The same with dates and also with lists or dictionaries or other Python objects. So F strings are definitely a must in when working with Python. We will talk in another video about F strings and we will talk more about them. The fourth advice is to use snipping tool to send or save images. Let's say that I want to send this error to a colleague. Of course, we have the screenshot in the operating system, but there is a tool. It is this icon. You can find it if you search for snipping tool, and it is very flexible. You just click new and select any location of the screen, and this will convert it to an image, and you can just copy it and paste it in some chat tools or email, or you can save it as an image to your local files for future users. I use this tool 1,000 times every day, and I highly recommend it. If you work with this, I use Windows, but I guess there are similar tools in other operating systems. The fifth tip is to try to type as much as you can. Type, because when you type something, it is like you reread it 1,000 times. Of course, it is useful to watch tutorials, but you will really feel that you learn Python only if you type. I can surely say that I have typed import or print commands or some other usual Python commands more more times that I have washed my teeth or have eaten pasta with my with my hands. So yes, try to type. Even if you watch a tutorial and you have and the terminal open and type what you see in the video, this will make you feel very familiar with the code and the commands. So that was all. I will close this video now. Thank you very much for watching and happy to hear your comments in below, and don't forget to like the video if you liked it, of course, and also subscribe to our channel, and thank you very much for watching. See you in our next videos.